I created this simple Sokoban game with Baba Is You sprites I found online. You can find the project linked in the description. To add an undo system, similar to the one in Baba Is You, first I created a script called saveElement, which I drag and drop on any element I want saved. This script simply keeps track of the game objects I want to save and their type. Then I created a custom class called GameState. This class has enough variables to save all the relevant save data from my saveElement game objects. In this GameState class, I have two functions: getCurrentState, which returns a new GameState instance with its variables reflecting the current data in the saveElement game objects, and loadGameState, which sets the game objects according to the GameState data. For the final piece of the puzzle, in my Game Manager script, I have a GameState list called SavedStates. To save GameState, I simply add the current state to this list. I save GameState after every move my player takes. Ideally, you also want to save your level's initial state to be able to go back to square zero. To undo move, I load the second to last saved state and delete the last one from my saved states list. This is a simple working undo system, which leaves a lot of room for improvement performance-wise and in how it's organized, but it's a decent starting point to a working solution. Opinion time. Some things that would improve this system: only undo the elements that were changed in the last state, saving the game states as a JSON string instead of an instance of a custom class, keeping track of all my save element game objects somewhere instead of looking for them every time I save or load. And the thing that I find least ideal, which is no problem with this example, is that it's really not keeping track of which box moved where. It simply places all boxes at the box positions. Opinion time. Liking this video and subscribing to this channel will improve your quality of life.